Than all the other bathrooms.
We're in an empty mall.
Woo! Woo!
Oh wait, no! Wait, no we're not. We lied, we're not in an empty mall. Who's here?
Right there.
Okay, we lied. We're not in an empty mall.
Greta. Come on. Greta. Greta.
Guys, we should rob that Hollister shirt. We should be like, take it.
Take the jacket. Strip it off of him.
The alarm goes off. Okay.
Are you okay?
It made me burp. Ow! That hurts. Okay.
Go ahead. We're walking to the movie theaters, guys. No.
This mall, just a couple of hours ago, was crowded of people and cute boys.
Oh, yeah.
And then they're gone. We should start, like... JD should still be here. That'd be fun.
Yo, that'll be not funny. Now, because there's no one around, we can act a fool. He can do his little rain dance, like...
This is so weird being an empty mall.
Actually, it's kind of fun. Párate.